Okay. Hello everyone. So I'm Suman Saurabh. Today I'm demonstrating the assignment given to me by the Krishworks. So it is a UI design also as well as the data you can see here. I have to fetch it from the API given to me. So for the UI part, I reference this image here, right here, and for the components like this sidebar and this navbar and this card and like most of the things I have used the material UI from React. So and I also have customized it using the Bootstrap and CSS. So most of the place I have used the inline CSS. So let me show you the my file structure. Okay, so this is the source folder in which I have created one component folder under which first I created this drawer. So this drawer I've imported from the material UI and also have used the icon right here. And second one is the main file. Main file all the rest of the components except the sidebar is like containing, and for that I used the custom class name from the Bootstrap, and also I have used the style from the like inline CSS I have used, and for the data I have fetched the API. I'll show you in the app.js. Okay, so I have I'm fetching the 4 API right here. You can see this is the doctor result. This is actually patient details. I misspelled it, and this is doctor details, doctor name from this doctor API, doctor detail API, and the appointment detail API, and the files detail API. So let me explain you where I have fetched the data from these particular APIs. So you can see right here in the drawer in the sidebar, this is a there is some this what is this called, accordion. So in the accordion you can see the doctor drg doctor, the dentist name drg Adam H. So this I fetched from this doctor API. Let me just show you in the accordion. So yeah, so you can see here that I'm fetching the data from here, uh, from doctor's dot name RA0, and fetching the name right here above the dentist, and I wrapped it in the column and row so that you can see it one above each other. And for this card, the past and the upcoming API, this and this name and the patient list name, this one and this name also, this all I have fetched from the patient detail API right here. Let me just show you. So I just open the app.js. So this is the patient detail API, you can see here, and in the drawer only you can see the patient list, and beside it I am fetching the API here at the index 0, the name of the patient. So you can see the DNA Cooper right here is fetched like render from this API, and in this card, this one I've also fetched it. Let me just search it fast. Okay, so it should be in the main. Yeah, so you can see here the value of the past I'm taking from the API here, and similarly I'm uh, rendering the name and also fetching from the doctor API, and this upcoming. So this you can see right here, this upcoming value 2 and the past value 15 I'm fetching from the patient API. You can see here the past and upcoming value right here. Okay, so uh, and for the second card, this birthday, this phone number, zip code, city, uh, this street address, member status, and registered date, all are given in the API only. You can see here street address, and let me just show you where did I fetch it. So let me just search street address now. Yeah, so in the street address I have like wrapped it in a row and column so that it can look one above each other, like the way it was displayed on the photo dribble photo. So you can see here from the index 0th I am fetching the street address. I'm destructuring it and fetching the street address right here, so you can see here. And likewise I'm fetching the city, but the city is not included in the API. So I just fetch this ID from the index one. Okay, and for the phone number, I fetched from the API only the birthday, gender, mail, zip code, member status, registered date, and all. And for the right one, and this doctor name I'm fetching from the API, and this is static. This is hard coded, and this is also hard coded. And okay, so let's move on to the uh, tabs here. So you can see this upcoming appointment, post appointment, and medical records. I have fetched this from the this one, uh, which API? Appointment API. So for this, I first like visited visited the zeroth index, and in the zeroth index, I then visited this zeroth index, the zero index, one index, and two index. Let me just show you. Uh, in the drawer maybe. Yeah. So appointment. Yeah. So here you can see that I've created one function here to fetch the details. So at the from the zeroth index, and I'm passing here the index, and in the function I'm fetching the zero index, one index, and two index. At the zero index, you can see here upcoming appointments there. In the first index, post appointment, and the second index, medical records are there. So I'm just fetching this from the API, and also inside this I have like build several cards, and also put the one scroller. So you can see here this date, this open access, this dentist name, the nurse name. These all I have fetched from the API only. Let me just show you. I guess is 09. Yeah. So for the treatment, I'm fetching from the appointment API this treatment value, the dentist value, the date, as well as the nurse name in the upcoming from the upcoming appointment order index. So you can see here it has successfully fetched right here, and this node is static. This node is static, and I just was instructed to take the zeroth index API only. So I just repeated it three times so that the scroller will be appeared. And for the right bottom side, this card. So this is hard coded files and document, and these all files you can see here. These all 50 records I am fetching from the files API. Yeah, right here. So I'm skipping the zeroth index. I'm just taking it from the first index, and I'm only fetching the name only here. So let me just show you. Okay, so it's a files list documents. Yeah. Okay, so in the main JX now the accordion and the drawer should be, yeah. So you can see I have mapped it and fetched whole list here right here with the index, just skipping the first index. So if the index is greater than 0, then only return these all list items. And right side, and this item dot name I'm fetching from the list API given to me. So this is all from the UI part. I think it looks kind of good, and this drawer is working fine. This accordion is working fine. Just put here Lorem ipsum is hard coded. The help button is not doing anything rough for now. So this is the UI so far I have created. I hope you will like it. uh, so this is all from my side. Thank you so much.